International Widows' Day is observed on June 23 every year to raise awareness about the challenges faced by widows around the world. On this significant day, we are going to know an important issue that affects millions of women worldwide. Yes, it is International Widows' Day. This day is dedicated to raising awareness about the challenges widows face and advocating for their rights. Widows often find themselves in vulnerable positions, coping with the loss of their partners while also dealing with social, economic, and cultural inequalities. What are the key issues that widows face? Let's delve into some of the challenges widows encounter every day. Firstly, widows often experience discrimination and stigmatization. They may face social exclusion, with their voices and opinions being ignored or dismissed. It is crucial to recognize the importance of International Widows' Day in addressing these challenges and promoting gender equality. This day serves as a platform to advocate for the rights of widows, increase awareness about their struggles, and rally support from governments, NGOs, and communities. There are several ways we can make a difference. Firstly, education plays a vital role. By providing educational opportunities to widows, we can empower them with knowledge and skills that will help them gain independence and improve their livelihood. Additionally, creating support networks is crucial. Communities and organizations can establish programs that offer emotional support, counseling, and networking opportunities for widows. These networks foster a sense of belonging and provide avenues for sharing experiences and finding solace. International Widows' Day serves as a reminder that widows deserve our attention, support, and empowerment. By acknowledging their struggles and advocating for their rights, we can contribute to a more just and equal society. Remember, together, we can make a difference. Thank you for watching.